Okay, Christelle and Marcel, I'm very thankful that you're spending this time with us today to inspire and also provide some hope to members out there that have been experiencing the journey that you guys had been through in the start. Marcel, maybe just an introduction to yourself, the sector you've been in, and your years of service.
Yes, as you know, I'm Marcel. I've worked for, I was in Defence Force for 2 years after school. Then I've joined up with Correctional Services. Back in the years was Prison Services. And I was working for 35 years in Correctional Services in various areas, starting as a medic, worked myself up to as a professional caterer and unit manager at the end of the day, and I end up as a maintenance officer in charge of maintenance of the correctional center in Knysna.
Mhm. This is a long, long time. And what was it like for you during your journey of deciding to exit and retire, resign?
Well, it was. I never thought I'm gonna exit that quick because I thought my retirement will be at 60, and I got the wrong picture till me and a ex-colleague of mine went and have coffee one lunchtime alongside the lagoon, and we just saw the boats on the lagoon and say that would be nice when we retired. And I said, oh well, I've got another 5 years left. And he looked at me like this and said, I said 10 years left. He said, listen, if you turn 60, government's going to give you a cup of coffee and a scone and say goodbye. And I thought, what? And I thought by the time it's at 65, just to be shocked, it's at 60. So yes, and when the two-pot system was mentioned, my mind swinged a lot because of I know the government is going to keep some of my money left behind with them, and if something happens to me and my wife, my children won't see it because can stay in the government. So and in a quick time, I had to apply my mind to ensure that I can have all my money for myself and for my family. So yeah, and that's when we sit on the couch and Christelle went onto Facebook and she saw this ad of Devon Nike and the financial services. And I thought, okay, who's this oak? You know, there's a lot of fly-by-nights. You don't know how to trust anyone. And we went and watched Devon Nike's video, and we hooked up to this class, and we immediately feel comfortable with you and your team. um, and still, there was also a doubt of, it is our money. And because some of our colleagues went and they invested in wrong people and their money just disappeared. And we were worried about that. But you convinced us in your experience that you know what you're talking about and what's going to happen with my money, and that set us so at ease at all. So yes, and we went boots and all in a very short time, make big decisions to say I'm gonna leave the Department of Correctional Services, do my own things, plan ahead, and when I decided to um, hand in my resignation um, letter to the head of center. And he just fell back in his chair and he immediately called in our staff support officer. And he took me by and took him to his office. He said, are you sure you're doing the right thing? And I thought, am I? And I just said yes, And then because the two-pot system was kicked in the 1st of August, and I need to resign on the 1st of August before otherwise my money gets stuck at the government. So yeah,
Mm.
so that was a very quick turnaround for me. Um, Quick process, quick thinking, and we also prayed about a lot, and we got confirmation. We shared it with our children, at the dinner table, and they just gave us the thumbs up, and they feel this is what we should do, because the government is, I don't want to say not reliable, but in our sector, in the security sector, a lot of things happen, especially in correctional services, and our life is in stake. And I just felt, I think my season for the government and correctional services is over, and there's more out there for me to do. I feel I'm still young enough, and I've got other things up the sleeve, things that I like to do in due course. So yeah, that made me resign quicker than I thought. I never thought it's going to be that quick, but I must say, with the right, how shall I say it, advice from professionals and trustworthy advice, that made it very, very, very comfortable and helpful, especially from your side, Evan. It helped a lot. It helped so much to know there's someone that we can trust with our money. And yes, before that, I spoke to the ex-policeman, Basil, and I phoned him one Saturday because we knew his wife. They were in congregation with us, and immediately I never met him in person, but we hooked up so quick. And when he told me about you and the process that he went through, I said, I'm in boots and all. Yeah, and we kept contact every week. He asked me where I'm at now at the States. I said, no, Devin is busy with our stuff. And then we are hooked up with Devin's team, and the feedback that we get every once a week or whenever from Mandy and the rest of you guys, it's just absolutely great. It's not all talk and nothing happens. It's what you say, it happens, and that was so as clear as glass. And I will recommend anyone in the government, oh well, outside the government departments as well, to get the same advice, to meet you guys, and to experience the journey that you guys walked with us, taking us by the hand. And sometimes it feels like we're going in blindly, but we could have seen the light at the end of the tunnel so clear, and it just grew bigger. And yeah, we at this point we are so just happy that and blessed that we've met you guys and you assisted us on this journey. It's so much appreciable. Uh, uh, it's difficult to share it out there. You need to experience yourself, talk to this team yourself, to get this experience. This is first class. This is the best you've ever heard of. Experience at. I will recommend anyone at any given time to go on this journey. It's very comfortable. It's very satisfaction, and our stress are gone. We really our financial stress are so settled. Yes, it's just wonderful. From our side, yes, we could just say thank you so much for the journey, and thank you that your door was always open for us, as you said previously.
It's really such a touching share, Marcel. I'm so grateful that we've been on this journey and been able to support you on the journey. And I know it was very difficult in the very beginning when we were having these discussions. What was going through your mind about things like tax and investing?
Yeah, that was if you hear how many tax does the government take from your money, it's unthinkable. And when you done the calculations for us, and you said, and you asked the questions, what do you think is going to happen now, and what we think we're going to save? It was amazing to see how much we saved, in figure wise, and think what can we do with that money that we save now because of the right calculation, the right advice. So yeah, no, it's I can't describe it to anyone else by just saying, if you know the right people doing the right calculations, and you can save on your tax, and everything is so in a legal manner. It's strongly good. So we are so happy so that we could save a lot on our tax and use that tax money for ourselves and do something with it.
Mm, mm. Yeah. So that was tax planning was absolutely incredible. And I got to compliment you both for also following the guidance. Christian, I know one of the things that was weighing heavily when we first met was, the debts that needed to get cleared. What was it like knowing, hey, you had all the saving with SARS now, on the tax side, and we could actually use that to pay the debts off?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that was absolutely wonderful.
Mm.
And to be debt free now, following your advice and be where we are now, it's just amazing. It's absolutely, we've got so much peace in our hearts now because we don't have debt. Yeah, and we can just thank you and your team for that.
Amazing. Sure.
Yeah. Well, it's been such an excellent pleasure connecting with you both. And you both have made the journey very easy because you followed the guidance exactly as we planned out for you. And of course, from here, we are still continuing the relationship with ongoing reviews. Um, and I want to wish you both continued abundance of joy and happiness.
Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much.
Thank you.
Much appreciated.
Thank you very much.